Right, okay, so this is not a tech product, but I thought you might be interested anyway. So this is a phone holder. It can hold up to 4 to 7 inch phones, and mine's 6 inches. No pun included. So yeah, 4 to 7 inches it says. I'm going to try it out on my phone, of course. And also, yeah, that's in it. Right. And also I'm going to try it out on my 9-inch tablet. Yes, 9 inches. So quickly show you around the box, because I know how much you like seeing around the box, or not. So it's from a company called UGREEN, and I bought it on Amazon. Cost me about £8 or $7.99 to be exact. So it says desktop support, that's what it says on the box. And it's got a QR code on the side, shows you the different angles you can do. And I haven't got my knife out. I've got to get my knife. Right, I've got my knife. So let's get her open, shall we? So yeah, $7.99, and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out, in case you want one yourself. And the reason I bought this is because, well, because of my son really. He said to me, you need a phone holder. I said, well, I've got one. You know, it's got a built-in one on this case protection thing, see? Now he said, you need this one, plus you need one for your tablet. So I thought, well, I do use my tablet sometimes, especially when I'm doing my live streaming. I'm just trying to find out which is the best way to open this. I don't think that's it. There it is. Found it. Don't panic. So it comes with a thank you card that says thank you on the front from UGREEN. I think I bought quite a few products from UGREEN in the past, believe it or not. So yeah, should be good. Important wee information. That's what it says. It really does. And contact us from Amazon Marketplace, North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, blah blah blah. So I'm not going to go into that. Let's get this little thing out. Nicely packaged, by the way. So this is it, and it says it does different angles. Okay, so just pull it out now. Okay, so it's got a rubber bottom now, which is nice to protect the phone. So that would sit like, all my phone's quite big, so it doesn't sit in there properly with the cover on or the protection. So yeah, not that impressed at the moment. You know what I mean? I mean, it would hold it, don't get me wrong, but it would just sit on there. It won't sit in the actual gap, if that makes sense. Oh, I don't know, it's not too bad. Let's try it. Let's get this rubbish out of the way. Right, let's try it with my tablet. So this is a 9-inch. This is the Asus ZenPad 3, and I've had it for a few years now. And we'll either put it that way. See, that fits in there perfectly. So that's, you know, that is the main reason I bought it for, really, is for this tablet anyway. So yeah, perfect. Yeah. And it's only because I've got a cover on this that it won't fit, and because it's got its own little stand anyway. So I'm, like I said, I'm not that fussed about, you know, using this, because that would just sit there like that. But for the tablet, it'd be brilliant, because I can have the tablet over there, yeah, and I will probably pull it sideways, because that's how I normally have it, and I'll be able to have another screen. So I'll have 4 screens. So I'll be doing 4 screens. So yeah, that fits on there really nice. I do like the padding. I like the fact you can adjust it for different angles. Yeah. That's it really. Just wanted to do a quick little video. I just thought, you know, yeah, I'll do that. I'll just do that. It's nicely done. I like the chrome effect on the sides. That looks really good. I mean, it's only plastic, don't get me wrong, it's nothing special, not metal, it's got a bit of rubber in there, like I said earlier. But it does what it's supposed to do. It will hold my phone, even though I've got this big giant case around it to protect it. And this case works really well, by the way. I've had this since I bought the phone, what, 4 or 5 years ago. And it protected it ever since, no damage. Okay, so that's really good. And yeah, and that will sit on there. I like the fact you can go right back like that. A really good angle actually. And you can get this baby on now. And that goes right up to there. Yes, perfect. See that? Yeah, very pleased. Like I said, £8, it's not a lot of money, or you might think it is a lot of money for what it is, but you get what you pay for. I like the idea it clicks, you know, so it locks in automatically. It's not one where you have to tighten something up. It's already set, ready to go. I'll probably have it like that, so it'll probably sit over here, between my screens, like so, and I'll have some sort of information going on there. Maybe I'll have YouTube running so I can see what's going on, because at the moment I have it on that one over there. So I have a live feed going on now showing me that I'm still live streaming, because sometimes my stream goes down and I don't know about it because it says it's still running when it ain't, and I still look over there and oh, it's gone down. But with this, I can have it right in front of me so I can see where it's going. Ideally, I want to put another monitor up there, but it will spoil my view up there, because I like my view. So with that, if you like this little device, I'll stick a link in the video description so you can go and check it out. And if you like this little video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.